Right. Great. Welcome from the very misty, nice Western Cape. We are here at the Inter Schools. This is one of the oldest traditions in the Western Cape. Bellville against DF Academia, and we are at DF Academy. Now, with me is one of the parents of Bellville High. He's also part of the crew today, a great friend of myself.
Oh, thanks, Ben.
Mr. Dion. Now, this has been a great tradition. You've been here last year.
Yes.
How is the atmosphere and how is the vibe normally at this?
I can say normally what happens here is the atmosphere is very electric, especially when the A teams are playing. And
Yes.
we're going to start seeing that in the next few minutes. We can't wait for it to start. You can see the teams, they are all excited.
Yeah.
And they are prepared, they're fully prepared for these games. These children are completely dedicated to this game today.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Now, of course, the Inter Schools is more than just rugby. It's a whole sporting week. You can almost say a week of mania. Not only is there rugby, there's netball. Yesterday we saw the hockey.
The hockey games, yes, and it didn't go well for Bellville yesterday in the A teams. The ladies or the girls, the under 19s, they lost. I think it was
2-1.
3-1, and the boys lost. I think was a 2-0.
Yeah, it was 2-0.
It wasn't great for Bellville, but well done to DF Academy. They were superior on the day.
Yeah, there was also chess. DF Academia has won the chess on the Monday. And then today is the rugby. But now when it comes to rugby, Bellville is quite dominating the rugby scene. When I checked the rankings last time, Bellville was 87, DF Academy 138. I've spoken to the coach of DF Academy and they are fired up. They believe that they are motivated. They believe they can pull off an upset. But as we look at stats, Bellville must be the favourites.
They will definitely be the favourites today. It will be a huge upset if they don't take it today. They are, normally they will take a game like this. But like I said, anything can happen. And like I said, may the best team win today.
Now, if our cameraman can just quickly show us that right now, the B teams of the under 14s are already playing. Bellville Academia, we will give you some scores later on, but the B teams are already played. They started at 8 o'clock. We are waiting, of course, for the first one, which will be the under 14As against DF. Listening. So we already have got one of the pupils here that's already causing an atmosphere here
on a live broadcast.
But it's as you can see, it's already a vibe here. The atmosphere is on. I can't wait. I think it's going to be an incredible day, and I think it's going to be a super day.
Yeah, we can actually ask him if he wants to join
Yes,
us.
let's hear from the mouth itself. What is your name? John Dre.
Yeah.
Tell us a bit about it. What does it mean for the schools this day?
The schools.
I think Afrikaans praat?
Ja, praat Afrikaans. Wat beteken dit vir julle?
Ek dink ek het gedink. Ek glo die skool is baie trots
Yes.
op dat ons 'n dier gemaak het.
Yes.
En die skool is wat is dit? Ja, vol gees en alles.
Ja.
En ek dink ons gaan wen.
Dis baie mooi.
Jy's van Bellville, nee?
Bellville.
Okay.
Same. He believes Bellville is going to win. And I think with the rugby, they must be the favourite. And I think it's going to be an awesome day. We will be here updating everybody. And a message for the parents and the people in the area to encourage them to come.
Kom kyk, dit gaan baie lekker wees. En ek dink almal gaan geniet. Ja, was baie kos hier, daar's koffie, alles. Ja, kom geniet die dag.
So if you guys are in the area, please come. There's an heck of atmosphere. This pavilion is going to be packed. I promise you, it's going to be packed. We'll be here giving you updates. We'll be providing some interviews wherever. Some more of the pupils will. Hopefully, we can get some interviews, maybe with some of the coaches. So please join us, and we will catch up with you later.
Ja, sê dankie vir John Dre ook.
Dankie.
Thank you, guys. Until later, it's a wrap from us for now.
See you, bye-bye.